Welcome to Mayberry, North Carolina. Are you thrilled to be here? We got our fashion masks on?
Yes,
right.
There's quite a few people here.
Is that nice and cool, Riley?
Shopping. Here she is.
She got air conditioning going here with the fan.
So here we are in Mount Airy, staying at Mayberry Campground for the first time. And it's a beautiful evening. Just wanted to show you around the campground a little bit.
I smell hot dogs.
Yeah, we smell hot dogs.
Up there.
I wonder, there's a grill up there on the hill. They might be making some hot dogs.
This
Smells
beautiful
pretty
evening
good.
We're having with this amazing sunset.
It is. It's really pretty. The campground really filled up today. There were a decent amount when we came in yesterday, but a lot of empty spots. But today is Friday, and it really filled up a lot. Here comes another one in yet tonight. And he's coming right in here. The one empty spot that was left there. A beautiful rig sitting here.
Hey, good morning, everyone.
Hello. So, we are at Hanging Rock State Park.
Yep. We're going to do a little waterfall hike today and hopefully get cooled off a little bit. But actually, today's not too bad. Yesterday was like 90 million degrees.
And we had a storm last evening and cooled things off.
Yeah, so today it's like
much better.
75, a little cloudy. But we are heading once again on the Mountain to Sea Trail. Someday we're going to do the whole thing. And of course, Riley's coming with us,
Riley,
aren't you,
you're
Riley?
going to go on the Mountain to Sea Trail, tell them.
Yeah.
The visitor center is closed due to COVID.
So we kind of got a rough start. We got here, both had to go to the bathroom. Visitor center closed. They don't even give you maps anymore. You have to take a picture of the map, which is silly, but anyway.
Yeah.
So we made do, right?
But we're going to give it a whirl.
Hey everyone, we made it to Hidden Falls. Looks like a nice
Hidden
little-
Falls, Riley. Hidden Falls.
She's excited, you can tell. Oh, you're at Hidden Falls? Is it beautiful here? So that was Hidden Falls. But we found it,
We found it.
even though it was hidden. And apparently other people found it too.
Yeah.
But,
Quite a few.
yeah. Ready to go down all these steps? You want me to go first or you want to go first? How about I go first? If I fall, then you know not to go.
It'll fall.
I won't fall. I have Riley. But we're good to go. See these nice rock steps. Now it's easy going down. Unfortunately, we gotta go back up eventually. Oh, cool. Ooh, look. Let's see you skip down the steps. Riley really doesn't care about the waterfall so much. As long as she can smell the doggy smells along the way, she's happy. I hear water. Oh, this is just the overlook. We gotta go down this way. Here, let's see what the view is over here. This is the view of the window. Hey, honey, I think there might be a couple more steps.
Looks like a couple more.
Riley, are you up for it again?
Riley.
Okay, here we go. Just a couple steps, right, Riley?
Just a few.
The elevator's right over here.
Yeah, you wish.
Okay, touch the rock.
Ah.
You getting grounded?
Yeah.
You feel less stress? Wow. You guys are like nature girls.
Where are we, baby? We're on the cool big rock.
You like it here, Rye? You're kind of going downhill there, baby.
Yeah, you're kind of going down.
We're heading up to Carter Falls. It's a beautiful hike,
And it's near Elkin, North Carolina.
and we're just walking up through this beautiful lush forest. Nice and cool in here, and we'll check out the waterfall.
We will be out this way again in October near Elkin to go camping at a new RV park.
It'll be cooler weather and hopefully some color in the leaves.
Hopefully.
Although this green is pretty nice. Okay, so we have to go down here to the lower falls. Oh man, this looks like it's going to be really nice.
Very steep and rocky.
Very steep.
You ready, Rye? You getting carried?
Yeah. We're at the base of Carter Falls. It's just amazing. It feels so good and cool. It's such a hot day. And what a beautiful place to hike down from the trailhead and just hang out in the water here below this old waterfall. Do you still have some energy left in you after the waterfall hike today?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, here's our last night at the Mayberry Campground
Yeah.
in Mount Airy, North Carolina.
We had a good time. The Mayberry Campground is really nice and well taken care of. Very nice for kids. There's 2 different playgrounds. There's just not a lot of shade trees.
Yeah, if you come in the summer,
shade.
it's a little bit hot because it's sitting out here in the field. There's not really many trees. So it's a little warm. So come in the fall.
And we also noticed quite a bit of highway noise.
Yeah, we're close to I-74, I believe, right out here, and you really hear the traffic all night. So it's not super peaceful, but it is a good location if you want to get to Mount Airy area or some of the surrounding attractions. There you go, Riley. You're making it go. That's so cute.